how to log in to a Litmatch account. Hey there, in today's video, I will walk you through a very simple guide on how to log in to Litmatch account by iPhone or Android phone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you have installed the Litmatch app on your phone and you are a new user. After that, open the Litmatch app. Tap on Continue to agree to get the Litmatch app notification. Now you can open your account, Gmail, Facebook, iCloud, etc. I am selecting Google. After that, you can see your Gmail account. Select once. Tap on it. And now enter your nickname, birthday, and gender. And tap on Done. And again, tap on Done. Now select the tag. You can also skip it. After that, write something about yourself, otherwise skip it. And tap on Done. Now you have successfully logged in to your account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button. And if you have any questions, then please write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.